see what it's like. The store's open early. Funny how the actual Nintendo kiosk isn't open yet. And again, since I already have a period, I'm more just curious to see what the crowd and stuff are like. I guess that's the display. So far the lineup seems kind of normal, nothing crazy or anything like that. I'm surprised actually they don't even have any of the stuff on the actual shelves just because they're expecting it to sell out, I guess. That's a Switch. $79 for a game. They are getting expensive. Yep, there's a lineup. Actually, that's one thing I didn't actually buy yet for the system. Micro SD card. I was thinking just to see how much memory the system actually takes because I have like 16GB ones lying around. Okay, I was walking past this and it's just kind of interesting. So I guess between all the stores, the lineups, they're okay. I mean, basically, you have to factor in there's actually like about 3 retail stores that are within walking distance here, since I am in the mall. So obviously, if there was one store, the lineups would be a lot longer. The supermarket was actually one of the best places to buy consoles before, but they stopped selling game stuff, unfortunately, because they also had like a lot of no tax events and stuff like that, so you can easily save like today probably like $40 or so. Although, like you see, they sell the occasional systems, I guess, just in the spur. But I don't think they're as crazy, like they don't get the stuff at the launch date and stuff anymore. As you can see here too, I'm showing you here, I actually have this coupon where it says save for every $5 you spend, you get 1,000 points. That's basically $1 for every $5. So if they actually did have the console here, I'd be saving a lot of money. Oh, too bad. Alright, that's a quick and final observation. Let's see. I don't know if I'll be able to practice the drone today because it's raining and stuff. But just for now, I'll get some work done and hopefully my Switch arrives. And then we'll do the unpacking and maybe try the game a little bit. As you guys can see, I basically got 2 of the packages. So one of them is from the Amazon and one of them is from the Best Buy. There it is. Holy cow, that thing's massive. Jeez, what's in that thing? Okay, well, first before opening that, let's see what's in the Best Buy one. And that's the extra Switch that I wasn't sure if they were actually going to send. Now, what to do with this one? The controllers and the system. And this is the dock. Alright, well, it's charging up. I guess I might as well just open this Breath of the Wild and see how it is. Feels like a case for the system, maybe? That's the poster. The game, of course. Wow, they're pretty small. Ooh. The limited edition coin. Wow, it's pretty heavy actually. And the soundtrack. I guess I'll open this up to show you guys what this looks like. Yeah, it looks like the way to carry your system. I don't think I can put the Mavic Pro in here. That's it. That's the like the size of a card, basically. No manuals or anything. I'm guessing it's all digital. Alright, so I'm just using my webcam and setup right now, so I'm just gonna test this out, see if it works. I think I have everything set. So let's just try getting in here. Update is available. I'm also testing out the capture software and stuff too for you guys. Because I was thinking before I even said just to have fun, maybe I should try like live streaming stuff as well. I was thinking of maybe just cutting some drone clips, or maybe it'll stop raining because tomorrow it said it was supposed to be actually sunny. So if I get a chance to practice it today, I will. And once I play this a little bit, I'll just cut and edit my daily vlog for the day. I'm not sure how I'll do it with the gameplay. Maybe I'll upload like a separate video, you know, just for the entire gameplay. Kind of like what I do with the drone footage. I upload sometimes just the drone footage alone, because I know there's a lot of people that just want to see that. So I might do that for this as well, like for the games. Download complete. Okay, that is me.
Wake up, Link.
So that was north I had to go. Now I'm thinking I had to talk to that old man. A shield. Pick up. Whoop. Oh, it's a door in the world. Oh my goodness, I feel like an I feel like an idiot. Like overthinking what you need to do. Jeez. Take a look at your map and your sheet of sleep. Now just to make sure, let me see how you save manually here. System. Save, here we go. Okay, well this is interesting. So I'm just gonna cut my end the vlog for the day, and I'm not sure what I want to do with the games. I might actually try the live streaming because that's actually something I was interested in before. It'd be kind of cool just to play it along and other people can see. Yeah. Other than that, I guess I'll see you guys later. I know tomorrow will be another adventure because it'll stop raining and so forth, so I get to practice the drone. Right, later everyone.